But this is the formula that I would really encourage you to use when you are presenting a new program to an executive for the first time. It just follows the 5 focal points we discussed. We like to launch a new strategy as part of our effort to increase employee engagement and reduce turnover. Specifically, we welcome all new employees into our organization by providing them a structured 90-day onboarding program that begins with a 1-week immersive culture experience. This is something we can easily implement with our existing resources and will require minimal effort to maintain to make sure that it actually gets used and it's adopted. I've already surveyed our hiring managers. Over 80% said they'd support this type of program for all new hires. Now, the top 3 metrics we're going to use to go evaluate engaged success are 1, post-completion surveys, 6-month knowledge retention, and lastly, 1-year anniversary engagement scores. We think all of these are correlated with the success of the program, of an onboarding program. Every single one of those, again, that was a 30-second pitch. Very likely your meetings are going to be more like 30 minutes to an hour. But that is the way that I would structure these conversations.